What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another special video. Today's video is a little different. Today I've made a little over $600,000. This isn't a regular day by any means, so that's why I find it special. I think I should post it, and I'll talk about my positions and why I'm going to continue to hold them or if I'm looking to scale out. But before we go ahead and start this video, hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below what other videos you'd like to see on this channel. What other stocks should I be looking at for my long-term portfolio? What other stocks should I be adding to my watch list? All that good stuff. I like to read those, and I do respond to a lot of you guys in the comments. If I don't get to you, obviously, I'm sorry. And thank you for all the birthday wishes that I've been getting. I appreciate them. It's been a great year. I hope that this year is better than your last, and you continue to grow as a person, whether it's financially, mentally, health-wise. So let's go ahead and start this video. And obviously I'm going to start from the login screen because we're always going to have those comments that say you're a paper trader, you're paper trading, not legit, this, that. But all my real people who know Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade, and how to log into this app know this is obviously a live trading account, as I will show you to log in. So let's log in together, guys. So we're going to log in here. We'll see my P&L for the day. Let me wait for this to join. It's January 3rd, 8:58 p.m. So obviously it's after hours. The market actually officially closed. So let's go ahead. So I'm up $641,000 today. Just on Tesla, I'm up $612,000. On Apple, I'm up $53,000. On Shop, I'm down $28,000. So Shop, I'm working with that position. I've scaled in and out of this position. So you may see I'm down $116,000 total on that position, but on Shop alone, I'm up like $1 million. So this is the current open position. I'm in and out. TD Ameritrade doesn't know how to keep up with averages. It messes it up. Even for Tesla, it's messed it up. But I am up $3.9 million in total with all my open positions, just my open positions, not the ones I bought and sold. And then I'm up $612,000 just on Tesla today. All right. So let's go ahead and see. Oh, let me hover over it. I don't know what you guys want to see. Hover over it. That Tesla. Just shares. A lot of people are asking if it's shares or options. Yes, I day traded. Let me handle that phone call later. But as far as day trading, I made around $10,000 today day trading. I was so in depth with this. I was watching it. I was looking if I should scale out. So we'll talk more of that. I have 4,000 shares of Tesla. I've had this since pre-split. So let's go ahead and look at it together. Let me get rid of times and sales so you guys get a bigger screen. So if you guys look at Tesla, you can see off the open, this was already up like $50. So this ended up closing at $10.54 Friday. It's currently the first trading day of the year. This ended up opening around $11.45, which is already, we're looking at $90 gain right off the open, right? $90 times 4,000. You guys did the math. I was already open. I was already up $300,000 to start the day. So I already thought it was a great day, right? So we take the first dip, first candles, we get the momentum push right over high of day, 1150 breaks, we push all the way up to 1169, where we take a breather, and then we continue to consolidate. We ended up pushing to highs again, 1174, pulls back, consolidates, and then we start just grinding higher, and then it starts accelerating around 1:40 p.m., 1 o'clock. This thing starts pushing. Now, people are going to ask, what am I going to do with this position? Am I going to hold? Am I going to sell? So I've been holding since pre-split. In the last 20 days, the low is 886. The high right now is obviously 1210. A lot of people didn't notice this gap. We have a gap here from 1200, 1201, all the way up to 1216. This is probably going to be done in the morning. So check Tuesday, go back. I don't know when this is going to be uploaded, probably Wednesday. So go back to Tuesday and see if we fill in the gap. My guess is we fill this up overnight. I think we open around 1220, 1230. Open interest was crazy. Volume was insane on these contracts. And then we have the highs of 1250. So we have a high of 1250 as the all-time high on Tesla. If you put it on the 1 year, though, you get the 1243 because this is intraday high. So so the 1243 is the intraday high. The 4-hour high, which is pre-market included, this is the 1250. So am I going to continue to hold this? Yeah, I am for a little bit. Am I going to look to scale out? Maybe. So why did I hold Tesla so long, even through these chops, these pullbacks? Well, Tesla is the future, right? So that's my thing, right? When you're looking at your long-term portfolio, if you're looking to take a position into, let's just say anything, right? for example, do you think electric cars are the future? If you do, what are your stocks that you're gonna be? Are you gonna come into Plug? Are you gonna come into these Tesla? Or do you think, you know, your normal Ford company will overtake Tesla because they've been here for a while, right? It's all your beliefs, right? So that's Tesla. Now, Tesla had this big pop. It was up $143 today because of their Q4 delivery. They delivered about 308,000 cars. The estimate was around 266. Now, the estimate for the full year was around, you know, 860. They ended up doing a lot more than that. They ended up doing like 970,000, right? This is going to be the first year, 2022, where they deliver more than 1 million cars. Now, I used to remember where, you know, that 400 or that 300,000 that they delivered just in the quarter, which is the last 3 months, they used to do that for the full year, right? So Tesla's been growing year over year at an insane amount as a company. Forget about the stock, right? And honestly, with the way, you know, things I see it. So, for example, Cali's not allowing any brand new cars to be sold after 2035. You know, gas vehicles to be sold after 2035. So, you know, electric companies. Is Tesla the only electric company? No. You guys love NIO. You guys love, you know, Volkswagen is coming in heavy into this. There's a bunch of other stocks. What was the new one? Rivian. That was an IPO. I ended up making money on that too the day it came out. But ever since, I haven't even checked where Rivian is at. A lot of people was talking about, oh, they're still at 100. They dropped to 88 though. So, yeah, so it's all about your beliefs. Now, if you believe e-commerce and all that, because Shopify, they're saying is nowhere near the, you know, its peak. So Shopify's cool. Is that, do I believe in that as much as Tesla? No. Now Apple's been around. You know, if you guys know my Apple average, you would be like, oh my god. So Apple, I'm still in this. I'll show you guys where Apple is at. Apple made an all-time high today. Now Apple's just something Apple's like that, you know, bread and butter. You just have to have that in portfolio. Warren Buffett loves it as well. That's his bread and butter as of late. I think he just recently got into it about 3-4 years ago. He's relatively new to Apple. He doesn't like using or investing into things he doesn't know how to use. He never used an iPhone. He's still into the flip phone thing. He owns an iPhone, he says, but he still uses those flip phones. But forget about all that. I love Apple. That's the bread and butter. You got to have that in your portfolio. They collect dividends. You know, it's like having Microsoft. Even if they don't move, it's just something to have in your portfolio. Microsoft actually didn't have a good day here. I just took a look at it. They're down $1.57. I'll take a look if that's news related or anything, but they were up a significant amount in the morning, or was at a higher level. They closed at 3:30. Oh wow, that's not even they came back a nice amount. That could be news related. I'll take a look. But Tesla, the high is 1243. I wouldn't be surprised if they take it out tomorrow. Maybe I'll look into scaling out, maybe like 500 to 1,000 shares. I'll let you guys know. I'll update you on my Instagram. I just wanted to show you guys this in person, how it looks when you log in and you're up 600,000 for the day, and you guys can see it's not a paper trade or anything. I will be uploading this on my Instagram. By the time you see it, you can probably just go to my Instagram and check it out. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. I always upload live trading videos on these days, but I changed it up today. I'll see you guys. Peace.